Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add card to Apple Wallet in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add cards to your Apple Wallet, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your iPhone, and here you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, and here go for general and go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And after that, here you will get the wallet option. You just have to tap on it, and here you have to allow all the access or permissions from here. And once you have done, you can simply add cards from here, but I'm going to add cards through my Apple ID. So just tap on your Apple ID here, and here you just have to select the payment and shipping option, and then you have to wait for a second. You must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. So just select payment and shipping option from here and just wait for a moment from here. Once you have opened, you will get this type interface. Here you can easily add your credit card or debit card to your Apple ID or your wallet. So once you have done, you have to enter your number, then expire date, and then CVV. And then you just have to select the done option, and your payment method will be added, or your card will be added. Or if you are having an issue, so you have to open your browser and you have to simply search for sport.apple.com or search for Apple Sport. Then you have to open the first website and you will get this type interface. You have to select the iPhone from here or your device which you're using. Then just scroll down and look for the option of Get Sport. Once you find Get Sport here, you have to select the Star Now option under the Get Sport option. And from here you just have to select your phone, and from here you have to select the more option, and then you just have to look for wallet option from here. Once you find wallet, you have to select that, and then you just have to select the get more help, then select callers, and here you'll get a phone number of Apple support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and discuss about your issue, and you will find the official support from Apple support team. So in this way you can easily add card to your Apple wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.